more now from Haiti. I'm joined on the line by Andre Bloemink. He is with the response team with ShelterBox Canada. He's joining us now from Port-au-Prince. Andre, thank you for being with us. Describe what you have seen.
We've been relying primarily on the local partnerships to do our assessments out in the field. I'm part of the logistics team in Port-au-Prince, but the reports we're getting back, as your piece mentioned, is Lakai very hard hit, Jeremy very hard hit. What we're concentrating on are the points in between and beyond, further west along that southwest peninsula. That's still hard to reach areas because of road outages and whatnot. So ShelterBox is partnering up with local agencies that are working in those areas.
What's ShelterBox doing for people right now in Haiti to help them?
So, as our name implies, ShelterBox, we are shelter experts, but we also provide other equipment that is going to address some of the further problems that, again, you mentioned. Cholera, we've got water filtration kits that are going to be able to assist with providing clean water. We have solar lighting. We've heard lots of stories about power outages, and there's a need for lighting. So we have solar lighting with Bloemink, and blankets is another one that we're hearing as well. But what the local-led operations here is saying is our traditional kit of shelter tents is probably not the best option. So we're looking at shelter repair kits that we provide as well that also comes with tools to help build back better.
Why aren't the tents a good idea right now?
It was very much an NGO-led initiative. This initiative, the recovery from Hurricane Matthew, is being very much led by the Haitian government and the Haitian Department of Civil Protection. There's just not enough available land at the moment. A lot of the buildings, we're hearing up to 60% in some communities, are partially destroyed, not totally destroyed. So, as you well know, primarily roofs are ripped off, or they've lost maybe one wall of the building. Our shelter kits can adapt in many ways to provide heavy design-specific tarpaulins, both for roofs and walls, until they can build back in a transitional phase that will be coming next in the coming months.
And Andre, based on what you have seen around you, does it look as though there's enough help on the ground, or is more help needed from aid groups?
Well, that's the thing. ShelterBox is part of the global initiative. We're going to find out a little bit more today as the shelter working groups and the logistics working groups meet today to find out who is working where. And as I mentioned previously, ShelterBox is really made an expertise of themselves in that we get to those hard-to-reach areas that are off the beaten track a little bit. So as the roads clear, the initial aid is going to be in close proximity to those areas. The other area we're looking at with local partnerships is a peninsula to the north of Port-au-Prince that may have been forgotten, but may have also been affected by the hurricane. So we're looking geographically up there as well.
And Andre, last question for you. How long do you think that your organization and others will be there?
So our initial team of 7 here, of which I'm part of the logistics team for ShelterBox, we are just trying to suss that out right now. But it looks like we're going to have a couple of months here at least anyways, until we can get a better picture as how long the emergency response of this phase is going to be moving into the transitional phases of the emergency response.
All right, a couple of months. All right. Andre Bloemink, thank you so much. After the break.
And anybody can donate to ShelterBox Canada. That helps. The more money we have, the more we can help.
That's great. Thanks again. Happy Thanksgiving.
Thanks.
After the break.